And hello Lord Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to one episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the HGCE or HG Cosmic Era Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. Yes, so here it is in the box art. We can see it's still the same base Strike Freedom but with a different backpack. And of course this is a Compass mobile suit, and no, it is not from Zaft or Orb, but from Compass, which is the new organization where Kira and the other guys are belonging to. So as you can see in the box art, yep, new backpack, and of course the katana and new effects. And off to the side we can see here that it has a seed action system wherein the neck is fully poseable. I mean, there are a lot of articulation points, same with the body and the shoulders. And right here of course we have the old gimmick of the two guns, you know, the shoulder guns, not shoulder, the waist guns, combining the big one. And then here we have the latest gimmick, which is the katana. Yep. Off to the other side, yeah, we see here Mighty Strike Freedom front and back, and of course information about the movie. Now let's go inside and see what's inside the box. First off, we have a bag with 3 sprues, all white, and of course the clear blue. Same with the previous iterations, it has a beam shield. Second bag, some gray, some gold, black, and this is for the katana, and stickers. Next bag is all white. And this is, I think, a new one, which is for the new backpack. Next up is another bag with 3 sprues, the saber effects, multicolor sprue and gold, and of course some 3D effect stickers. And of course we have the instruction manual, which same as Rising Freedom, it is in booklet form. So there you go, it is in booklet form, same as Rising Freedom. And again, the seed action system is here. So let's see individually at the sprues. Alright, now first up is the A sprue, which is a multicolor sprue. We see the colors of Strike Freedom here, but a bit darker. So we have some, this I think was previously gray, but now it's black. Previously white blue, now it's very dark blue, and some yellow here, of course, because it has a new body. So that's the A sprue. We also have a B1, which is all white, and a B2, also all white. So practically some new parts because of the improved seed action system. We have a C sprue, which is all gold here. So previously the gold was just for the inner framings of Strike Freedom, but now it includes the new backpack. And of course, continuing with the gold color, we have the D sprue here, wherein, yeah, this is more on for the parts, the joints and stuff. Yep. Then we have the E sprue here, which is all gray, so yeah, for the railguns and stuff. And then we come to the new parts again, which is the F1 here, which is for the backpack. It also has an F2. There we go. And then we have some more new parts, which is the G1 sprue, which is for the katana, and separately a H1, which is for the shield and for the eyes here. And yes, we have some beam saber effects. And as for the stickers here, so we have some full stickers here for the Strike Freedom. We have some blues, some yellow, blues and reds, and of course some black and yellow. And the interesting part, on the new backpack, we have a 3D full sticker. Yeah. So this pink shows up when, you know, they deploy the new backpack. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGCE Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. So this is a new, actually, I think after Seed Strike Freedom was destroyed, it got rebuilt. That's what is being shown here. And then yeah, they introduced a new backpack, and that's what Kira is piloting right now near the end of the movie. Spoilers, sorry. But I guess everyone has already seen the movie but so far by now. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, leaving some comments, sharing the videos, commenting and seeing other videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.